So I have just put the bucket up in the air as high as it'll go, and I have measured from the ground up here to this pin, and I'll show a picture of what I measured, but this pin is approximately 69 down here and about 69 and a half in the center. So with that, I bought these replacement cylinders for the loader, and they're supposed to give me more distance and more strength. So I should be able to lift more. Now, I'm not going to go through a test to try and prove or disprove how much weight it will lift. John Ritter did a good one on that one. But I do want to have more height, and I do want to have some more strength in here. So once I replace these loader arms right here with the new ones, I'll measure again and show you what I've got, but it'll probably be another day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. We'll see if I can get them replaced or not. Anyway, I'll get back to you. See you.